Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $2163 and it has already made a half from 2170 and came down yesterday. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen now, if you look at the dollar index, dollar price, we have seen there is a continuous upside we have seen. And there is a three patterns forming which you can see looking at this particular chart. What is the three patterns says that this particular pattern is a long pattern which is an 8 years 12 years pattern that is around from 2012 to 2020. After that there is a 2 years pattern, 8 month and 5 month pattern. They are similar pattern and I've already told you that it will go towards a high from 2195 and after making this high we can see there will be a fall. And that is where we have seen the price has made a low of around $2151 and after that there is a continuous upside we have seen. So chances can be high that if the price keep moving below a level of 2159, a further downfall we can see because there is a clear pattern forming if you look at this particular trend. Now if you look at the dollar index also, you will see that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 103.5, we can see there will be a probability in the dollar index that the dollar index can rise, and now there is a higher chance that if it started going above level of $103.8, a further upside towards a level of 104.13 we can see. There is an inverse relation between dollar index and gold because what we have seen, when the price of dollar index is moving, then the gold price move further down because there is a import and export differences we can see. But as soon as the price started hitting below a level of $103, then a probability of moving further down we can see in the price of dollar index. So once the price started going below a level of 102.5, then there is a higher chances that probability that we can see a level of 101.5 to a level of around 100 also. So you have to keep it in mind because there is a two clear pattern forming towards a level of 103.5 if the price sustains. A further fall in the dollar index, in the gold price we can see because the dollar index will move further upside. But if the price started falling below level 103, then a further fall we can see in the price of dollar index. So we can see that the gold price can move further upside. Now, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also in the description. You can join that. Look at this particular trend. What we can see, there is a higher chances that if the price keeps sustaining over that level, a probability of going towards a level of 2170 we can see. And if the price keep moving over that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 2184. And what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, chances can be very high that once the price started going above a level of $2174, a further upside we can see towards a level of 2185 and then to a level of 2188. As soon as the price started hitting out that particular level, this pattern will support and chances of going further upside we can see. So once the price started falling below that particular level, that means the price started falling below a level of 2151 and then a further downfall we can see in the price of gold. So look at this particular trend. So chances can be high. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2155 after crossing a level of $2059 or $2159. And then if the price keep moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2049 and then to a level of $2041. Because there is a clear pattern forming as you can see looking at this particular chart. Now there is a higher chances that if the price, you have to understand 2 points, that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of $2170, a probability of going further upside we can see. But if started going below a level of $2149, a further downfall. Always try to remember that putting your SL and trailing SL is very important because if you are doing that, you can sustain for a longer period of time doing that. So if the price started going below a level of 2049, a further downfall we can see. If the 2149, the further downfall we can see. And then a further fall we can see towards a level of around $2133, and from there a further fall we can, because there will be a trend towards downfall, because whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming. But if the price started sustaining over 2172, a further upside movement we can see in the price of gold. Because so two things you have to remember, that once the price started falling below a level of 2149, then there will be a trend towards downfall. Because what we have seen, that whenever it hits a new high, it fall around 20 to 30%. But if you are setting your SL, you can sustain that particular fall. Okay, because there will be a volatility when the market will go down, because everybody will be trying to book the profit. So you have to set the SL if it started below a level of 2149, okay, and then to a level of around 2133. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please like and support me.